Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok business account. So as you guys can see, I'm currently on the TikTok profile page here. And if I go ahead and click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, it's going to give me a couple tools here. Now go ahead and click settings and privacy. And then from here, go ahead and make your way down to account. Now, once you go ahead and click on account, you actually have a few options. Now, the third option here is to switch to a business account. Now, go ahead and click on it. Once you go ahead and click on it, it should load up, but it's going to ask you businesses, and it's going to give you a few couple of information cards that you can look at. Now, go ahead and press next. Once you guys do it, go ahead and choose a category for your business account. Now, this is totally your preference. You can go ahead and put it whatever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and put mine as clothing and accessories, and I'm going to press next. And once I go ahead and do that, it's going to ask me to add an email. Now, this is optional. Maybe you don't have one, maybe you do, but go ahead and add it. It's your preference, like I said. So you can add some stuff to your bio. I'm just going to go ahead and skip that, and now our profile is completed. We can now create our videos now and just pretty much post. So I'm going to go ahead and do that later, but that's how you go ahead and create a TikTok business account. So you guys can see now we have now extra, business account stuff. We have business address, business phone number associated, and pretty much that's how you go ahead and do it. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.